Now we come to the next duck hunter. This one's going to take the train. This is the big locomotive of yesteryear, the one with the steam whistle. Remember the whistle when you could hear it on a cold night and it gave you a lonesome feeling? Remember that sound? Well, it's gone now. Well, it is. It's gone. It's been replaced. Progress has taken over. We have the diesel electric. Can you imagine anything more lonesome sounding on a cold night when you're alone than a diesel electric? Isn't that a gasser? There's the train in the station, and our duck hunter is on board. Here are the nostalgic sounds of this old giant locomotive which has passed into history. It's going to be a big one. More steam. Well, it's a long train. I got one to go. Now there's the train that's zooming right along. Our duck hunter's on board. He decides to go back to the bar, a dining car. And we hear him as he goes from car to car. You know, when you open the door and slam it and pass into the next car. Oh, here's the sound. Remember this one? This is the one that used to put you to sleep, the clickety-clicks of the wheels. He opens the door and goes, "Oh, you like that one, huh?" I like that. That was a sound. I'll never forget that. When I was in the Navy, 8 years, 7 owned trains. How could I ever forget it? Now we open the door. Then he reaches the smoking platform, and we listen to the wheels as they click along there. They cross the switch track, and then the little bell goes by. Crossing. That takes care of that duck hunter. You see, he caught the wrong train.